Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the Shulker box or selecting it in your inventory. This gives you access to its contents. Once placed, crouch to avoid accidentally breaking nearby blocks and right-click to open the GUI. If you want a preview without placing, hold the Shulker in your hand and use a mod or data pack that shows contents on hover. Otherwise, place it on any safe surface. Make sure to keep space in your inventory for items you might move out during inspection. Now you extend options by using mods or commands to preview contents without opening the box physically. If you have a client mod, hover over the Shulker in inventory to see a tooltip that lists items. This is fastest in single player. On servers, use /data get block pos or /data get entity for thrown Shulkers to print NBT data, which shows item lists. Make sure you have permission and that mods match server versions to avoid errors. Finish by closing the Shulker GUI to ensure all items remain stored. Do not break the box while the inventory is open. If a preview method fails, verify mod compatibility, update client and server, and confirm required permissions or command access. In case of accidental breakage, pick up the dropped Shulker item or use /give to restore it if you have admin rights. One quick troubleshooting tip. Restart Minecraft after mod changes to clear cache and fix many preview issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.